How to log in on Netflix account, sign into Netflix account. If you want to log into your Netflix account, you can do so using the Netflix application, but instead you can also choose to use your Netflix account on your browser. I will show you the process from my browser because on mobile app it will not let me record the screen, but the process to log in is just the same. You can go to netflix.com or you can use the Netflix app. Once done, you can see the sign in button from the top right hand side. Make sure to tap the sign in button there. Over here, it will ask you to enter your email or mobile number as well as your password. So of course, you just want to go ahead and then make sure to enter your email address that was associated with your Netflix account, or you can enter your mobile number as well. Once done, you can enter your password, then just hit the sign in button. In case you happen to forget your password, you can tap on the forgot password button. It will send a reset link to your email or text messages where you can select the email me option, or you can also choose to simply use a sign in code if you want to use and log in using your sign in code. This way you will be able to log in on Netflix account. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.